How to turn off replay on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on this video we will see how we can turn off replay on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, launch your Snapchat application on a mobile device. Now you have to take a snap. Once you have this snap, if you like to turn off the replay, tap on this toolbar or this menu bar on your left hand side. From there you have this small timer icon, tap on it. Now in order to turn off replay, you have to set it to 1 second. After that, you can simply send this snap to your friend and your friend will not be able to replay this snap. So that's how you can turn off replay on Snapchat, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.